Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of eclectic design, where style meets spontaneity, and exploring how natural elements can add an organic, grounded feel to these vibrant spaces. Imagine a living room that feels alive with personality, blending rich textures, colors, and patterns with earthy, nature-inspired accents. This fusion is about creating spaces that don't just look visually appealing, but also feel harmonious and connected to the natural world. In an eclectic living room with natural elements, every piece tells a story, yet everything feels balanced. Picture a room where lush greenery breathes life into the corners, from cascading plants on shelves to a bold, leafy centerpiece on the coffee table. The plants add color and vibrancy, effortlessly blending with patterned rugs, rich textiles, and layered throws that showcase an array of colors and textures. These natural elements don't just complement the eclectic style, they elevate it, making the space feel fresh, serene, and perfectly unpolished. Imagine natural wood furnishings playing a starring role here, with rough-hewn coffee tables, reclaimed wood accents, or bamboo shelving that exudes warmth and authenticity. This kind of furniture brings a tactile, earthy quality to the room, effortlessly grounding the diverse textures and patterns around it. The rustic appeal of natural wood and materials works beautifully alongside the eclectic style, adding an organic touch that softens the boldness of the design. Now, think of soft lighting casting warm shadows across the room, highlighting every unique piece, from a vintage armchair to a globally inspired tapestry. These gentle, ambient lights create a calming atmosphere, balancing the visual richness with a cozy, inviting glow. Whether it's through pendant lights with woven shades or a classic floor lamp with a sculptural base, the lighting pulls the room together, blending function with visual flair. Colors here are inspired by nature too. Earth tones like terracotta, moss green, soft blues, and warm browns set the foundation for a serene, balanced feel. These hues, paired with eclectic elements like patterned cushions or bohemian throws, bring a seamless connection to the outdoors while ensuring each piece in the room is full of personality and charm. The colors and textures work together, creating a tapestry that feels both vibrant and calm, like a natural oasis within the home. Adding stone, clay, and ceramic accents is another essential touch. Imagine a handmade clay vase with a simple fern, or a stone bowl with hand-selected rocks or crystals. These small, grounded details add texture and character. Natural materials add authenticity and a touch of the outdoors, making the space feel as if it's always been there, carefully curated over time rather than perfectly designed. Each element feels intentional, part of a story that unfolds in a welcoming, layered living room. Finally, this kind of eclectic space with natural elements is about comfort and connection. Picture yourself in this room, sinking into a soft, textured sofa or vintage armchair, with sunlight filtering through a sheer linen curtain. You're surrounded by the best of both worlds, a space that's undeniably unique, yet grounded in nature, full of personality, but also a retreat from the outside world. If you're inspired by the idea of bringing a bit of the outdoors inside and adding a touch of eclectic style, this blend might be perfect for you. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this unique mix of styles. What's your favorite way to incorporate nature into a room? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more on blending styles and creating spaces that feel as unique as you are.